Why am I so bad at doing things? I cannot figure this out. I can't do it. Hello everybody and welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys are having an absolutely fantastic day. Today I am pretty excited because we are going to be doing the second part of the humongous unboxing that I started a couple videos ago. So today we're going to be going through a couple things from you guys, some PR stuff, some random things. But first, before we hop into all of that, I do have a special unboxing and try on for you guys today. This portion of the video is going to be brought to you by GlassesUSA.com, and I am so very excited because I have 5 different pairs of glasses to try on for you guys today. 3 regular glasses and 2 sunglasses. If you guys do not know, the glasses that I am currently wearing are basically in shambles. The prescription is very old. I have quite a hard time seeing, and like the coating on the glasses is peeling off. I didn't even know this could happen, and you guys might not be able to see it. Oh, what does that look like? I don't know. But like it's scratching off. So I've had a huge cloudy spot over my eyes for so long. So when GlassesUSA.com reached out to me and asked if I would like to try on some glasses for you guys and do a little unboxing and haul, I said yes, thank you. So I'm gonna go ahead and get on into these and try them on, and you guys can tell me which ones you think look the best. Let's just scoot this way to make a little bit of room. Yeah, so I had no idea why I was pushing my hoard of clutter away from an area that I was also moving my camera, so I'm very sorry that I'm very off center. Alright, so the first pair I'm going to be trying on are these right here. Oh my gosh, I can see! So I kind of noticed a trend as I was going through all of their glasses. They have a huge selection of glasses. They have over 4,000 different types of frames that include their in-house brand and also their designer brands. So I was going through all of these glasses trying to figure out which ones I like the best, and I could definitely tell that I tended to stick to a very particular style of frame. It still has the little black plastic here on the top with the little silver dots, but the bottom are metal, so it makes them different. So let me know what you guys think about this pair. Okay, and next up here we have yet another very similar yet still different pair of glasses. And I really do like these. I think they fit my face just a little bit better. They're a bit bigger because I have quite a large head. I got it from my father. It just, the circumference is just big. But what I also have is a very high and very bad prescription, but fortunately GlassesUSA.com can add any prescription to almost any frame, which is fantastic. They can do it for glasses and sunglasses to almost any of them. Alrighty guys, and the last pair I have here are the fanciest. These are the Ray-Bans, and I really like these frames. They're nice and big for my giant head, and even though they are Ray-Bans, GlassesUSA.com can offer like up to 70% off retail prices, which is absolutely amazing because like Ray-Bans and that kind of stuff are very expensive, but they do offer those on their website as well. And also something that's really jazzy is they have a little virtual mirror thing, so you can go on their website, upload a picture of your face, and then try the glasses on, so that way you can know what they look like on your face before you actually order them. And alright, the last 2 I have are sunglasses, and I have never in my life had a pair of prescription sunglasses. I'm so excited. Alright, so the first ones are these big boys here. They basically look like the other glasses that I tried on, just with black lenses, but I can actually see through them. It's amazing. And then the very last pair that I picked up are these, which I think might actually be my favorite pair of sunglasses. I don't know, there's something about them. I think they're super duper cute. I like the little pointed thingies here, and I don't know, they're just a little bit different for me, but I really like them. So let me know what you guys thought about all of my glasses selection down below in the comments. You can tell me which one looks best on my face, and then those will probably be the glasses that I'll be wearing most often. But if you guys would also like to get some glasses at a really great price, you can click the link down below in the description, which will get you a great offer for your first pair of glasses at GlassesUSA.com. My camera's been turned a lot this entire time. I'm very sorry. I simply couldn't imagine how that would have happened. Alright, let's go ahead and hop on into the rest of the unboxing here. I have quite a stack going on. The very first thing I'm going to go through is a couple of letters though. So the first one I have here is from Isabel, and Isabel, I found it. I'm so excuse me. Alrighty, as I was saying, Isabel, I found your letter. I'm so very sorry. It got stuck to like the box that I was carrying things in, but I found it and I have already looked inside of it. I'm sorry. But I want to show you guys what she did. It's so adorable. Look at this. She hand wrote this. It's absolutely beautiful. My handwriting looks like you put a pin in a chicken's mouth and let it run around. But this is totally cute. It's definitely going to sit around here somewhere. Oh my gosh. You guys, I hadn't gotten to the actual letter yet. I just saw this and I opened up the letter and $1 fell out. Isabel, thank you. She says, and now she has sponsored my next video with $1 she gave me. That is very, very sweet of you, Isabel. But please don't feel like you need to send me money in the mail. This is 100% perfect enough. I love this. It's definitely going to be put up somewhere. Next up here, I have a little envelope that says open on camera, and I will for sure do that. Ooh, instructions. This one says open one also on camera. Aww. Okay, it says, hello, I love to watch your videos with my mom. I'm Jordan. Don't get me mixed up with the other Jordan that made the squirrel. ETW, I'm 10. Oh, I hope you like the drawing that I made. I'm not the best at makeup, but oh well. I don't know if you guys will be able to see this because of the lights, but she drew me with my glasses and my excess of blush. Oh my gosh, this is amazing. I don't know if y'all will be able to see this either, but she drew my little skull here in the background. And are those my Skittles? This is absolutely amazing, Jordan. Thank you so much. I love it. This is gonna have to go in my collection of skull drawings. Alrighty guys, next up here, I have a little Santa pouch. I do believe this came in a box, but my dad took it out of the box for some unknown reason, and here it is. I feel a little bit like Kris Kringle right now. I'm really excited. This is from Kelly. Ooh, thank you, Kelly. Oh my gosh, this makes me want Christmas like more than anything right now. This is a really nice bag. I'm definitely going to figure out something to do with this bag. Oh, okay. I didn't even get into the box yet, but I saw a little sticker on the outside and it says collection skulls, so I'm very pumped. Don't drop it, don't drop it, don't drop it. Oh my gosh, this is so cute. This is absolutely adorable and it combines two of my favorite things in the world, skulls and coffee. This is one of the coolest mugs I have ever seen. Thank you so much, Kelly. Oh, you guys, you're just too awesome. Alrighty, next up here we have another Amazon thing. It's kind of heavy too. Alright, you guys, I really promise you I am trying to figure out how to use this box cutter. If I open it up like this, they're just like, oh no, see? But I don't know how to get this inside of this. Wait, that's not right. Oh dear, that's not right. Oh no. Why am I so bad at doing things? I cannot figure this out. I can't do it. I'm gonna table this for now and just go ahead and use this box cutter. I feel like just for now, it's probably the best. Ooh, an envelope in here that says a surprise gift for you. And this is from Kelly. Oh my gosh, Kelly, you are being far too generous. Thank you so much. Oh, it's another cute little Santa bag. Ooh, this is heavy. They're coasters. They're coasters to go with the mug. These are so cute. Oh, and they have different designs on them too. These are absolutely adorable. Thank you so much, Kelly. You guys are just too sweet. My skull collection is like slowly just growing and growing and growing. Eventually, my entire house is just gonna be decorated with skulls, and I'm okay with that. I just wanted to give a huge, humongous thank you to every single person who has ever sent me anything. Your letters, your drawings, your gifts, like just, they're so generous, they're so sweet, they're so nice. Like, you guys are absolutely amazing. Like, it's really truly amazing, and you guys are amazing, and I love you all. All right, so I'm going to be moving on in the unboxing now. There are going to be some like things I have purchased and some PR stuff kind of mixed together. If you guys aren't super into PR, I totally understand, and you guys can click out now if you want to. Alrighty guys, moving on to a couple other things here. Next up isn't really PR, it's something that I bought for myself and I never tried yet. This is the Norvina palette from Anastasia Beverly Hills, and I still have yet to try this. It was delivered to my house many moons ago in a hailstorm, actually. Oh no, my poor package, it's hailing. Gotta get it, gotta get it. Ah! No! Oh, and I haven't even given it a go yet. If you guys would like to see a video with this, even though it's like kind of old news now, let me know down below in the comments. Alrighty, next up here we have a little box from Carity. I'm also starving, so if you hear my stomach going nuts during this video, I'm very, very sorry. Ooh. Alright, so it looks like I have a few different little products here. There is a brush in here and some, oh, brow goals. In one brow pencil, powder, and brush. Fancy. I have the shades Dark Chocolate, Blonde Bombshell, Totally Taupe, and Hot Cocoa. I definitely feel like dark chocolate is what I tend to go for. Like I said, I like my brows to look sharpied on. So these three I'll probably be passing on to somebody else or putting in a giveaway. So this is a matte palette. There's supposed to be 21 highly pigmented matte eyeshadows in here. Ooh, they look really pretty as well. Ooh, wow. Okay, very, very brightly colored shadows in here. I'll just get a few little swatches here just to see what they look like. All right, not as pigmented as I thought they would be, but they might show up differently on the eyes. I'll definitely have to give this a try. Makeup wipes. There are never any makeup wipes. Oh, scratchy. Alrighty, next, this is from BoxyCharm, and it's something that I ordered. Oh, yeah, I might have bought like 15 or so of these tiny little palettes for future giveaways. So look at the mess on my desk. These are from IBY Beauty, and I think they're really pretty. Nice neutral, a little shimmer there in the center. All right, next up here is a cardboard box that has no indication of what it is or where it came from. Never mind, I found the sticker and it says it's from Agency Guacamole. Is there guacamole in here? I mean, I honestly wouldn't complain if there was. I'm very, very hungry. Oh, no, it's actually from Bliss is Bliss. Look at the cute little heart. That's adorable. It's like tiny pieces of sponge cut into heart shape. All right, so I have two different things here. I have the Bliss Mighty Marshmallow. They're making me real hungry. Bright and Radiant Whipped Mask. And then they have the Pore Patrol Deep Detoxifying 4-Clay Souffle Mask. All of its food. So these look pretty fun. On the sides here, they have very like nicely textured outer packaging, which I like. Oh wait, I have another box that says Bliss on it. Are you also from the Guacamole Agency? Yep. Oh man, two more food related things. At least I'm not a huge fan of honey. So this is In the Honey Mega Moisturizing Lavender Honey Mask, and this one is Watermelon. Reviving and De-Stressing Overnight Mask. So these are pretty fun as well. Thank you very much, Bliss, for sending those my way. All right, you guys, listen, I got these literally forever ago. I got one for me to unbag and then one to give away. So I'm gonna pick one of these, unbag it, and the other one will be included in a future giveaway. These are the like OFRA mystery bag thingies. Let's go ahead and see what's in here. Oh, a lanyard. That's kind of fun. All right, next up I have something wrapped up in bubble wrap. And this is like real honest to goodness bubble wrap. These got big old bubbles that you can actually pop. Oh, it seems like we've had a slight casualty here. This is the blush bronzer in format. And it's a little bit loose from its packaging. Oh, a sponge. Okay, so there is an OFRA Perfecting Puff Expanding Makeup Sponge in here. Very excited about this because all my other sponges are very dirty and I don't want to wash them. All right, next up in here we have a OFRA Smoke Shadow Smoke, which I'm guessing is an eyeshadow. Yep, just a kind of charcoaly gray shadow. I'll probably save this for a giveaway. Ooh, then we have a little highlighter here. I actually really like their highlights. This is in the shade Rodeo Drive, which is one of my favorites of all time. Oh, another lanyard. They really want to make sure you're repping that OFRA merch. Then we have an eyeliner in the shade Coffee Bean. I've never tried an OFRA eyeliner before. I think there's one thing left in here, which, oh boy, which is an OFRA long-lasting liquid lipstick in the shade Milan. Alright, so that was kind of cute. I hope you guys like whatever on earth is inside this little bag here. Maybe you'll have 3 lanyards. Alright, we have yet another BoxyCharm here. And these are things I also ordered for giveaways. So we have a little OFRA blush. And then we have this thing that is very, very bubble wrapped. Oh, it's an OFRA palette. So these will be for giveaways as well. Alrighty, next up I have something from Octoly. Oh, I guess we're just like on an OFRA kick right now. This is the Cool as a Cucumber Moisturizing Primer. This is one of my favorite primers like ever. And this was sent to me by OFRA. Next up we have a box here from Profusion. Oh wow, okay, there's a bunch of stuff in here, but the very first thing I'm seeing is a notepad, and I absolutely love notepads. Oh, it came with a pen too. Alright, we have a lot of things wrapped up in paper and bubble wrap, so let's go ahead and dig on in. Oh, that was a terrible sound. This is gonna be a process. Alrighty, so the first thing we have here is the Blush and Glow 1 with some pretty cool like holographic looking packaging. Then we have a Lips to Go matte lip cream liner and sparkling lip topper. Next up we have a Sculpt and Glow. We're gonna be glowing quite a bit after all of this. I'm actually starting to sweat from opening up all this bubble wrap. This is the most physical activity I've gotten in many days. Oh boy. At first I thought this was a picture of like a very scary looking bloodshot eye, but it's actually just an eyelid. But this is a eyeshadow palette called Siennas. And finally, one last item here. We have a little brows kit. Very fun. Alright, so I do believe some of this will be going into a giveaway as well. I have several things from Profusion, so I don't want to like open them up or anything because I think you guys might like some of this stuff. Alrighty, next up here we have a little box from Face Story, and Face Story is a subscription service for sheet masks, and I don't think I've ever done an unboxing of this before. Oh, that's adorable. It looks like Easter in here or something. Oh boy, okay, so we have a lot of different sheet masks in here. They all look really, really cutely packaged. The first one we have is a soothing jelly pack. Then we have a cream mask. Oh, look, it's the Mona Lisa. She's looking quite adorable. Then there is a London Shopper Cloud Key mask. Ooh, a bubble mask. And then this thing. And then this thing. This comes with a little like squeezy bottle there. I have no idea what that is for, but it looks kind of cool. I just looked down at my knee and I have like an entire rainbow somehow swiped onto it. I also just kicked over a stack of trash. Alrighty guys, so I think that is everything I have for you all today. I'm currently surrounded by a mountain of paper and boxes and bubble wrap. I'm like a trash queen right now. But I really hope you guys enjoyed the unboxing, and don't forget to let me know which glasses you think look best on my face. I really want to get your all's opinion. And if you'd like to get a pair of glasses for yourself, you can click the link down below for an offer from glassesusa.com. And yeah, I guess that is everything I have for you guys today. Just thank you so very much for watching. Please go ahead and subscribe if you would not mind. It would mean the absolute world to me. Do not forget that we do have a giveaway going on right now where you can enter to win a full year of either BoxyCharm or full year of Ipsy. I will leave the link for that down below in the description as well. And I just hope you guys have an absolutely fantastic day, and I'll see y'all next time. Bye!